Okay, Troy, gonna put the knickers in the...
Knickers in the microwave.
Microwave. Well, let's go.
Are you ready?
Hurry
Okay, let's go.
Put the
undies in the microwave.
So let me put them in. Abracadabra.
And Jimmy will have warm undies.
Well, I'm not dry.
In
7, 6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. Are they dry? Let us feel.
they're warm.
Nah, they're still wet.
In the microwave. Wait, no, they're not.
You twist. They're wet. They're damp. Put them back in.
Okay, again. They're not really that damp, Amy. But we'll do it again. This time for only 15, not for 20.
No, put them for 30.
30.
That'll be dry, hopefully.
Okay, 30. Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah, why not?
You can do it on my computer tonight.
Oh, sweet.
Really stick
The
through.
other one before.
Oh, 10 seconds to go.
Is that
10,
9, 3, 8, 7. I'm like 3. Ding, ding, ding.
Where are your undies being?
I love this song. This is my favorite high five song. I like skirts. You like jeans. They're still wet. Probably another 20, I reckon. Yeah, another 20 seconds and then we rock.
Fully stick through. My period stain undies.
It's kind of you too.
30 seconds. Fully stick through. I'm almost. Floorboards.
What's it got in your feet? Do a dance.
Look at this.
All that alcohol.
Oh, look at all that bees.
Check the
Oh, let's see.